Hey everyone, in this video we are going to create this awesome video inside text effect right from scratch inside DaVinci's Fusion page. This effect is super handy for logos, titles, chapter names, intros, basically anywhere you want to add a cinematic punch to your videos. Alright, let's dive in. First, pick a nice piece of footage for this effect. Something with rich colors and a bit of emotion works best. Right-click on your clip and choose Open in Fusion. You will notice the Media In and Media Out nodes already there. Now let's start building. Grab a text node from the toolbar and in the inspector, type in your text. Connect this text node to the blue mask input of the Media In node. For this effect, you will want a bold font so the video really shows through. Crank up the size until the text almost fills the screen. And adjust the tracking just a little to give it that cinematic feel. Alright, right-click on the Media In node, copy it and paste it into the workspace. To stay organized, it's always a good habit to rename your important nodes. So let's rename the original Media In 1 as background footage and the copy as foreground footage. Now let's connect this foreground footage into the main pipeline. Grab a merge node from the toolbar, hover it over the main pipeline until it highlights, and then release. All we have to do now is to connect our foreground footage to the green foreground input. But wait, our text just disappeared. Alright, let's fix that. First, detach the text node from the background footage by double-clicking on that connection line. Now connect it instead to the blue mask input of the merge. Still, we can't see our text. Select the background footage, hit Shift plus space, search for Gaussian blur. Fusion will automatically drop it. Now go to Inspector and crank up the blur strength almost all the way, but not to 1. Let's keep it around 0.8. That way the background turns into this soft, subtle, moving gradient, and boom, our text pops up. Let's hit play, and wow, looks pretty cool. Not only is our text alive with the moving background footage inside it, but our soft gradient background is also shifting. This keeps the whole design dynamic and alive. But let's put a cherry on top to instantly give it that pro vibe. Select your merge node and then from the toolbar add a transform node. Make sure you are at frame 0 and slightly increase the size around 1.05 and add a keyframe. Now scrub all the way to the last frame of your footage and bring the size back down to 1. That's it. Let's hit play again. Awesome. Now, not only does our text have motion inside it, but the whole design has this subtle, breathing, floating movement that just takes it to a whole new level. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel